Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by muting what's immediate. Flip the ring/silent switch on the left edge to silence clicks. Once done, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics to find keyboard clicks. Turn that off to stop system key noise consistently. This is the why the switch disables the sound at the OS level. Make sure Volume and Control Center is low and Do Not Disturb isn't forcing alerts. These steps ensure clicks are suppressed without altering other audio. You now handle deeper settings that can override simple muting. In Settings, Sounds, and Haptics, confirm keyboard click stays off. This is the primary control. Then go to Accessibility, touch and disable any audio or haptic feedback that could recreate typing noise. Some apps hook into those APIs. Also inspect individual apps, like third-party keyboards or messaging apps, because they can play their own click sounds. Turn off in-app key sound options to fully stop audible typing across the device. You finish by applying changes and validating them. Restart the iPhone so all sound preferences take effect. Make sure iOS is updated and temporarily remove any third-party keyboards that might reintroduce clicks. If you still hear typing, reset settings to default. That preserves data but clears preference conflicts, and test again. One key troubleshooting tip. If sounds persist after reset and updates, contact Apple support or visit a store. Persistent audio often indicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.